Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So I think today is only one batch is there, I believe. So it's now around 10 o'clock. So far we have almost completed everything from the syllabus, which was for the practical. So today we will focus on two important exercises. One is the change detection change detection on the ground. So what change occurred over period of time? For example, just I'm giving some one or two examples to orient everyone on what is meant by change detection. Okay, so you have forest area. At one part, at one time you have green forest area. If you see the data, you will get a lush green field. Like if you see in false color, you will get a red color image. Okay, so this is, say for example, 2010. You have one image of the year 2010 which is showing there is a forest. Say after 5 years or 3 years or 2 years, you have another image of the same area where you are not getting the that much greenery or that much green color, or on false color composite you are not getting the red color. That means something has happened. There may be some forest fire, quite possible, or there may be a forest cutting. Something has happened. So this is the change, and that change we are finding out the change using the satellite data. Another example, like you have an agriculture area, and suddenly, maybe after 3 4 months, there is a water. That means the flood has occurred, or vice versa also. So we are going to find uh, the change occurred on the ground. That is nothing but the change detection. Minimum requirement is you require at least two time data. Okay, from using single satellite data we cannot do this. So this is one part of exercise will start immediately. Then another is ground truth and accuracy assessment. So this hopefully will start in second half of the day. So everyone please open your exercise number 21, that is in MGYL 004. Okay, please open this exercise and let me know whether you can download the data or not. I think there is some problem in the link also. So the link is in your 21.3, and page number is 176. Please check if you can download the data, otherwise I will give you another data. Okay.
Sir, exercise 21 is data query, right?
No, that is in MGYL 004.
104. I have 104. It is data query 2.
No. It's today is MGYL 004. If you don't have that manual. That is only single manual having all the exercises.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, anyone is having the that manual, you can share on the WhatsApp and you can download from there. Let me know if everyone got the manual. So I am deleting other material from the drive. Hope you have already copied. So let me delete everything.
सर वो नहीं डाउनलोड हो रहा है उस लिंक से।
लिंक में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। Anyone got? Let me know. Otherwise, we can have another option. हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है? किसी को लिंक डाउनलोड करने दे रहा है? आप पहुंच पा रहे? Now everyone has manual.
the manual is available online, but it seems that my
Yeah, it
bandwidth
will
is
ask access. No, what I suggest, anyone if you have manual, you can upload in the group so that others can download, or you don't have. What is the group name you are sharing? PGDGI 25 or PGCGI? Which one is the
PGDGI
group?
25. PGDGI 2025.
Okay, let me put here.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बताइए.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good
Sir, to
morning.
download the file, sir, we need to log in, but I think there is some issue with the site. We cannot log in, sir.
Yeah, they will give you permission. For that you have to request. But I have uploaded manual on WhatsApp group. Wait for a moment. It is getting uploaded.
No, sir. Actually, I was talking about the downloading the files, sir.
That link you are talking.
Yes, sir.
Sector data, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think there is some
There
problem
is
because
some
manual
issue
is
with
old.
sign in the site, sir.
No problem. Just wait 1 minute. I am uploading another data to complete this exercise. But at the time I am uploading manual also, so it is taking some time. Maybe 2 minutes it will take. So, good morning, those who joined little late. So, let me repeat today's exercise. We are going to do a change analysis using two time data, two time period data. So, this time period data may be of say 10 years difference, it can be few months difference also, or it can be a day or 2 days difference. Like if today you have a data and tomorrow you have a say some flood because of the river or some earthquake something, so any of interval, it can be 1 day interval, it can be 1 day, 10 years, 10 months, whatever. So you require minimum two data. Based on that you can have change detection. Though the link in the manual is not working, so I have copied another set of satellite data of Bihar region, so it is getting copied. Similarly, those who are not having 104 manual, I am also putting on the WhatsApp, taking some time.
सर MSCGI जनवरी 2025 ये भी एक ग्रुप है.
uh,
MSCGI Jan 2025.
I don't think I am MGI Jan 2022 is there. I am in that group. But anyway, let me copy on one group, then we can move to another group also.
Okay,
Because
okay, sir.
at a time I have copying, uploading the satellite data and manual. That's why the bandwidth is taking some time. Let it get completed, then we can share. Half of the data is uploaded, remaining it is going on. Manually is around 150 MB and data is also maybe around 700 800 MB each data. That's why it is taking some time. So manual is uploaded on the group. You can go to the exercise 21. Okay. So those who are on another group, can anyone share on the that group also? Is it possible?
Sir, MSc GI, Jan 20,
So it,
2025, sir.
it yeah, PGDGI 2025. I have uploaded the manual. So
I think in
you
this
can.
group it is not said, sir.
Which group?
MSc, the
Sir,
MSc
MSc GI.
GI, yeah.
Just a minute. I'll let the data also get uploaded. It will take 2 minutes more. Yeah. So I have shared the link for the data. In that folder, you can now download after files after 107-54-15 November. This file you can download. Another file name starting with before is still getting uploaded because there are 3 4 files. One more file has to be uploaded. But after file you can start downloading. So the link is allowing you to download the data.
Sir, I'm having internet issues today. So, is it possible for anyone to share just the small the chapter, because the entire file is 150 MB, so it will be easier if just a few pages of that chapter is shared.
So both the satellite data are uploaded on the drive link I have shared in the chat. You just access that and download. Let me check if I can extract the pages.
Sir, both the files in single link, sir.
Huh?
Both the files are available in the same link, no, sir.
Yeah. You can download all the files. Don't leave anything behind, otherwise it will not open.
Uh, Earlier how it was like that, now also same, sir. First one is exercise 21, then after some files are there. After before name,
Yeah,
four files.
it's no what it is showing.
The first one showing a folder, sir, exercise 21.
Huh?
In that some NDVI, ESA, ULC files are there, sir. Raster files, I think, sir.
No, that
And
files I think I have deleted from my side. The folder is satellite data folder. Let me access
yes, sir,
that.
the folder name is satellite data, sir.
Inside satellite data, there is a folder called exercise 21.
21. Yes, sir.
Yeah, download everything which what are there in exercise 21. Save in
Okay,
a
sir.
same folder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I have also shared the only 21 exercise portion in the WhatsApp group. So anyone want this material? Any other student who is not having, let me know the group name. I can share on that group.
सर मैं नहीं हूँ इस वाले ग्रुप में सर, तो रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो
Sir,
लिंक उसी पे
sir, the
कौन
मैसेज।
सा
group
ग्रुप
name
है?
is,
आप अजीत,
yes,
आप
sir.
ग्रुप नाम बताओ।
सॉरी सर।
कौन से ग्रुप में हो आप?
सर मैं पीजीडीआई डीजीआई वाले उस 2023 वाले ग्रुप में हूँ सर, इसमें नहीं हूँ।
PGDGI 2023 में हो ना? ठीक है, I'll
जी
share
सर।
on that group also.
थैंक यू सर।
Wait. PGDGI 2023. Okay, I have shared on that group also.
Sir, the group name I have sent in chat box, sir. MSCGI Jan 25, 2025, sir.
PGDGI Jan 25.
No, PGDGI, not PGDGI, MSCGI, sir. The group name is MSCGI.
MSCGI Jan 25 na?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing on that group also. So everyone is covered now. Okay, fine. So are you able to download the data? Yes or no? पता नहीं चल रहा है सर, बहुत कंफ्यूजन है, कौन सा डाटा कौन सा
Sir, I
मैनुअल।
think the postcode for us is different, sir.
क्या क्या?
Postcode, sir. MGYL 104, sir. But the one you have said, sir, it is MGYL 004, sir. Both are same, na, sir?
Yeah, exercise is same. You can take
Okay,
this. Yeah, no problem.
okay.
Yeah. So I I hope some of you might have downloaded the data. Once you download the data, so you have to display it. So this is before and after both the images. You have to display like this. So this data is from Bihar. Okay, and as you know, this is ortho rectified
Sir,
list 3 image.
are you sharing screen?
Yeah, already I have shared my screen. Is it visible or not?
No, for me, it seems I'm having issues, so maybe that's why I'll just restart and again join them. Maybe.
Okay. So hope you can see this image on my laptop.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I want you guys to do, so after downloading the image, put everything in a single folder, because as you know there will be 3 4 files associated with single data. So if you miss any of the file, then there will be error. So you can see the projections, it is already projected image. Okay, so once you download the data, you have to identify how many bands are there. That is the first thing you have to do. Any data, when we take this into the GIS, first of all, we have to make sure the quality of the data is right or not. So these things you have to make sure first. So what you will do, you will change its symbology. Okay, put into the multiply here. After symbology, multi-band color image you can put. There are few more options, but first put multi-band color image, and then you select your band number 3. I mean red band I have put here 3, band number 3. Green band I have given band number 2, and blue band I have given band number 1. So this will give me a false color composite. After that you say apply, and then it will give you the band combination and display on the using the same band. Okay, so rest things you need not to change. Say apply and okay. Now I have given the same band combination to both the images. You are also supposed to display in the same manner these two images. This is my before image. Let me take it in here, and now I am projecting my after image. This is my after image. You can see the extent of water, especially here. This is my after and this is my before. You can see some. Now let me zoom little bit so that you can also see here. So this is my before and this is my after. You see here blue patches. This is nothing but the water. This belongs to the Bihar area. You can see except this river scores, everything is a red. This is all are the agriculture areas, and here near the river, this is not exactly river. The water is sprayed little bit. You can see here the spread of the water, because this image is of November. Okay, maybe September, October, you might be having more water. All these areas, red areas, are the paddy cultivation. And you see in the April, you can see something red. Instead of water, you are getting something red. So some cultivation is going on. some agriculture activities going on in the April, but in the November it is underwater. Okay, so similarly, you can take another portion part of this image. You will also get the similar picture here. Let me open this April image. See, you cannot find water here. Only water is in the stream and some of the depressions nearby. But in case of the November, you have some water here and there. Okay, you can just scroll different part of the image and you can see the difference. Okay, similarly this corner is not covering in this image, it is going to nearby image, but if you see here you can get the water, good amount of water here, and in April there is no water. So this is an example of change detection. So everyone, please download the data in the same folder, then open it in the QGIS and just see visually first what change you are noticing in the both the images. Okay, there is a lot of change in this image. You can just open it and see. Is it okay up to here? Sorry, I joined little late. Can anybody tell from where to download the data? Shailendra, link is above. Let me copy again. Again, I have put the link for those who joined little late. So I want to see your screens now uh, after downloading and displaying the data. I just want to see both the images on your QGI screen. Anyone has displayed? Not it. किसी का डाउनलोड कंप्लीट हुआ क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sukanta, you have complete. Who has completed, Mukesh or Sukanta?
I have completed, sir.
Okay, Sukanta. So others, let me know if you have, Damini, you have completed. Okay, any other students?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Krishna. Yes, yes. Just I want to see the data displayed on the your screen. Yes, please share your screen.
Is it visible, sir? Hello, sir.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay, sir. The band is 3 to 1, sir.
Yes.
Conference announcement, sir.
Huh? Let
Um,
leave it as it is. Rest of the things. You just multi-band and 3 to 1 combination.
Okay, sir.
Now you know if the image is not good, you can play little with its histogram, stretch it little bit, and make image for good perception. Okay, this is your after image. Okay,
Sir, this is before image, sir.
before image. Okay, no problem. And where is another one?
One is
Yeah.
after image, sir.
Now what everyone should display both the images. I'll not restrict on band combination. You can use any band combination, but 3 to 1 gives little better look. That's why I suggested to use 3 to 1, but you can use another band combinations also, no restrictions. So once you downloaded the images, you displayed the image on your QGIS, then visually you should able to notice the difference. There is a lot of difference in this image. Almost you know like Bihar. These images are from Bihar. You know, during rainy season, at least half of the Bihar goes, under flood. You know, the Kosi and the Ganga. These are the big giant rivers. So lot of they are bringing lot of waters from upstream, and then it gets sprayed in the Bihar. So most of the northern part of Bihar goes submerged during rainy season. So you can get a good change there. So you display both the images, everyone, and please note down the difference visually first. Okay. After that, as you know, the water, which band gives the best identification?
Blue, sir.
Water generally, if you have sphere band, SWIR, that is short wave infrared band, that gives good identification of water. Blue, green, and red band, they are not much useful. I mean, they will not give any indication. It's not like that. But the best one is the SWIR. So same image I have projected in SWIR. Okay, so you can see my screen here. Rest of the area is not visible, but the only portion of the water you can see here in a dark color. See, this water is in dark, this is in dark, this river is in dark. So once you displayed in 3 to 1 combination, so the next what you will do, just for comparison purpose, you open another QGIS window, separate QGIS window. You are already displayed images, let it as it is. Open another QGIS and add this one of the image here, and then go to its properties again and symbology, and select a single band. Okay, single band will be always displayed in gray color, because for multicolor you require different bands, so we are using only single band here at present. The in image I have projected band 4, considering it's a sphere band. I can change to band 1 also. See, purposefully I have changed band 1, though you are getting some idea about the water, but now we are confused. Why we are confused? If we consider this river, it is very difficult for anyone to identify the exact water and sand. Shall I zoom little bit? I hope it's visible. Is it visible, na?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Can you repeat? Let me. Okay. See, earlier it was displayed in band 4, now it is band 1. So it is difficult for us to identify the exact water area and the sand or other river part area. So this is band 1. Let me keep the same zoom level here. This is band 1. Now I am again projecting into the band 4. Just let me change the band 4 here. Apply. Okay. So now you can easily identify the darker patches. Okay, so SWIR sphere band. You can again also use another band combination. Instead of band, I can use band 3. Band 3 is giving little better compared to band 1. So in this fashion, you just change the band combination and see the extent of water. You can do this with both the images also. Okay, so uh, everyone got the data? Okay, Karishma, you got the data. Okay, Mudita also got the data. So, I mean, download speed may vary depend on the bandwidth. Chilendra also got. So it may take some time. Not the time will not be equal to everyone, but at least I hope there is no problem, any problem in downloading the data. Okay, let the download go on. Do we have to download the 191 MB files? Abhimanyu, which file you are talking? Is it satellite data?
Sir, I see there is 191 MB file called before 107 13 April TIF. Not
Yeah, but yes, yes, you require to download both the images.
okay.
You download either from here or anywhere, but the data size will be like that only. We cannot, I mean, maybe little we can jeep it, but still it will be higher side.
Sir, hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, the file I have uploaded, sir. But when you were showing the range of the value source from 0 to 181 in a range, sir. But in my case, why it is saying a fixed value, one is 0 and another is 181, sir.
No,
In
no.
here.
Which one? Which value?
Both, sir, both files, sir. After and before, both are showing a fixed value of 0 and 181, sir.
Pixel
But in
values
your
you are
case,
saying. Pixel values
yes,
you are
yes,
saying.
yes, sir.
Yeah, but I
But
have not. I have not show you. In fact, I have not checked also the pixel values.
sir, can I share my screen, sir, to show this one, sir?
Okay, okay. Let us check.
Yes, sir. Here, sir, the values is showing 0 and 181, only two fixed values, sir. But in your case, it is showing a range from 0 to 181, sir.
Here also you check. You will also get. This is the min and max they have given, but you will
Yes, sir.
also get different values in the image. Click on the I button and just check it. What is the value coming here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will show because there it in the legend map legend it is just giving min and max.
Sir, in map legend, how to show it, sir, or it is different for a different version, sir?
No, no, no. That depends on your symbology how you are playing there. Accordingly, it will show here.
Sir, how to show it like yours, sir?
I let me check what what was there in my this one. Let me open. It's showing 0 to 255 in my case. Okay.
0 to 255 in a range, sir. But in my case, only two fixed values, sir. Only 0 and 181 is showing, sir.
No, when you defined your gray band, no,
Yes, sir.
you go you go to your property symbology.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Below that, mean and max will be there. Just mean and
Yes, sir.
max. You can change here.
Okay, sir. If I will put the mean in 10, sir, it will show two value. One is 10 and another is 181.
No,
But
all
I
the
want to.
no. All the values will be adjusted between this mean and max. All the
Oh,
pixel values of the image. Instead of 255, you can define 100, 200, whatever you want. It will adjust accordingly. Okay. So please complete your visual identification of the at least water area. Shailendra, you want to say something?
Morning, sir. This is Salindra. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Sir, actually, for the same data, why everyone is getting different min and max values, like 0 to 179 or 0 to 255 or 0 to 181? Sir, can you hear me?
Sorry, I was muted. I was saying like each one of you is having different QGIS versions. That is number one. Another, your defaults are different. Okay. So that's why it is showing different values. And let me tell you one more thing. Like these values are the display values. I mean the look and feel of the image. Based on that, the image look and feel will change. But the pixel values for interpretation or analysis will remain as it is. If you change the mean and max, the values will change. But when you go to the raster calculator or you run
Yes.
any analysis, it will take its original values. This change
Oh,
is only for our eyes, our perception, because eyes cannot differentiate much. Only based on three colors and its combination, we are able to differentiate the feature.
but sir, QGIS is taking that mean and maximum value from data set, no sir?
Yeah, but that mean and max, that's why I'm saying it's not changing the values of image.
Yes, sir.
Image values will be as it is. Only when it creates the histogram,
Right, sir.
so it is changing histogram basically. You can change manually histogram also, stretch and all that day we saw in one exercise. Even there also you can play and change the values. It's changing the value. We are not changing the data, satellite data. We are changing our view perception to get the better identification. But the original pixel values will be as it is. That we
But sir,
cannot.
but sir, how to identify which one is standard or which one is original values in which QGIS version?
No, original pixel values will remain as it is. No, they will not. We are not changing this. Let me this one share my screen. There are many ways to change the display in the image.
That's sir, as in your data, it is from 0 to 255.
Ha,
Yes, sir.
it is 0 to
That
255.
is the maximum range of 8 bit.
Yeah, yeah, that is maximum range. You cannot go behind that. You can play here also in the histogram also. Okay, if you want to make a really good look and feel, you can play with histogram. That day we had one exercise. Here you can see where are the values and how to make.
Tab should be downside that compute histogram.
No, I am not changing. If
Okay.
you want, you can change it. Here in the histogram, you can change. Right now, this is the present situation. I will
Okay,
not
sir.
save it. This is present situation, but you can always play with this with the different bands. You can see where it is showing. Acha, oh, I have selected single band only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's why it is not showing. Maybe if you want to play with histogram, again you go to symbology, apply, and here you can play with this. Now you will get all the bands. So you can play with the values here again.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, due to some network issue, I was unable to join at the beginning. Sir, can you tell me in short, like till now, what things you told, like from starting with exercise?
Okay, Chinmay. Today, what we are doing the change analysis of a particular area using two different images. So these two different images are of a different date, maybe 1 month different, 1 year, or whatever time period, but they are not of the same day. They are they are of a two different time images. So using these two images, what we are doing, we are finding out the change happened on the ground. Is there is there any change in the features? For example, here we have taken these two images. Uh, this is one image you can see,
Yeah.
and in this image, this is another image of the same year. You can see the change in the flood area. Here you can see the flood in this image. You can
Hmm.
notice this sprayed area, water sprayed area, and
Yeah.
here there is some agricultural activity coming up. So this detection we are doing today, we are finding out the area where the change has happened.
So when where I will get these images?
That I have that images I have kept on this drive. I'll just put this link. Hopefully, it may not be available for you. So this is the drive from where you can download these
Okay,
images.
sir. Yeah.
There are two images. Display it with proper band combination in QGIS and identify the area visually where the change has happened. So once
Okay.
we know the change on the image, now there are two ways to map the change area. One is like you can map using vector. You can interpret both the images. Okay,
Yeah.
before image and after image. You can create a polygon. For example, you want to map a flood area. So
Hmm.
you can create the polygons of both before and after images,
Hmm.
polygons having water bodies. So then you know these two polygon layers are with you. One is before and another is after. So in you can interact these layers and extract another layer. Now that another layer you can what you will do, you will overlap before and after water areas, and you can intersect that. So the common area before and after, the common polygons, common area will go away. You will remove the common area and you will keep the additional area. So that additional area, additional that polygon layer will give you the area statistic, which area is under flood, how many hectares or square kilometer, that everything you can do out of that. So this is vector analysis. Through vector analysis you can identify. Another most effective and easy way is raster analysis, that we are going to do in this exercise. Once everyone is having data, then we will do the raster analysis. That is, that day, I think last week we saw the raster calculator. Even before that also we saw the raster calculator.
Yeah.
What we are going to do here, I mean, you will follow the step by step steps given in your manual. But
Hmm.
finally, what we are going to do, we are going to take these two layers. So we have information in the pixels. Okay.
Yeah.
So what simply if you do, say your before image minus after image, or after image minus before image, if you do this simple subtraction of the both the pixels, you know, if it is water pixel, it will be having certain pixel range. Maybe for example, your pure water is giving say pixel value of 3. Just I am taking example, I have not checked what is the pixel value in the image, but my pure water is giving pixel value 3. My green vegetation is giving pixel value of 15. Okay,
Hmm.
so what you will do, you will in raster calculator, you will what you will do, you will do 15 minus 3 is equal to something, it will come. So you will do this calculation for entire both all the pixels in both the images. So you will get the third layer. Third layer will be having certain pixel values. Now you can put the threshold. If the pixel value is this much, so that area is under flood. If it is above this threshold, it is normal area. Okay, because
Okay.
the depth of pass of both the images are different, so the pixel values will not be exact same. If one pixel is having say 10 pixel value, so in the another satellite data it won't be 10, but it will be nearer to the 10, maybe some plus or minus. Based on that you can identify, if it is instead of 10 it is giving 1, that means there is water. So with that logic, you can identify how many pixels or how many area is under flood. Okay, this is one exercise, very clear cut water is easy to identify. Another area see, one image is of November, another is April. If you want to say how much area is under Rabi crop, November is Rabi season. So using this red color pixel values, you can do the same exercise and you can find out the area of Rabi crop. Similarly, if you want to find out how much area is under summer crop, that also you can do. So this multi-temporal images, using multi-temporal images by applying a simple algorithms in GIS, you can derive a very good information in very short period of time. The analysis is very simple. Now you are going to do the raster calculation and you are going to find out the difference. So the difference can be anything. For software, it's nothing but only it will take into consideration the pixel values. But for us, it can be water, change in the water, it can be change in the agriculture, it can be change in the forest, it can be forest fire. I mean, there are many things so that you can find out. Okay. So everyone, please complete your download, display the layer and observe visually. First of all, we should know to identify the difference visually. Then only we will able to match with the outputs derived from the raster calculator. So please display everyone. I want to see your images, and then those who got the data, they should proceed further, follow manual steps, but the final aim is to identify the area flooded with water. Okay, put a suitable formula. There are only two layers. You have to use the raster calculator to get the third layer and compare that third layer with your before and after images. Okay, so fine. I'll keep quiet for maybe 5 minutes and then we'll see your visual difference first and then the raster calculator. So I hope everyone now have a data and able to visually differentiate between two images.
Yes, sir. Uh, sir, one thing, sir.
Uh,
In the first in manual, sir, in raster calculator, it is written about bed 5, sir. The split band is band 5, sir. It is written. But
yeah,
in my case, in our case, we will
use
give
four
band
band.
4, na, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Because see that data, I don't know which data the link is not working, so that
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
matter. Your
Okay, sir.
you use for band number 4.
Okay, sir.
So
And
okay, fine.
one more thing, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as we belongs to the another group of MSc group, sir. In
Uh,
our group, it is which exercise, sir?
104 you are saying?
Yes, yes, sir.
104 even I don't know. It is not written in the your this one schedule also. Uh,
And I have checked the folder also, which Benito sir said, sir.
hmm.
There also no exercise is for
Yeah,
this class,
it,
sir.
it is not written there also.
Up to 23 exercise is there, but here
Hmm.
in 21 exercise is data query modified, sir.
Hmm. Data query we had earlier.
Yes, yes. So for submission of records of this practical, sir, what we will follow, sir?
Exercise number you mean to say?
Yes, yes, sir. To
No, I
submit the
don't.
exercise, sir, exercise record, sir.
Hmm.
Can we submit this what is there in N004, sir, to 104?
Yeah, you can submit this, no problem.
Okay, sir. the difference pixel is showing from minus 1212 to 141, sir,
Yeah, okay,
after
no.
doing the raster calculation.
Okay. So only purpose is that we have to separate it out, whatever the values are coming. So only we have to separate out the flooded area. So anyone can display your both the images. Let me check whether you have completed or you got the data and displayed it. Who will display? Quickly we will move on because we have to complete this exercise. Yes, sir. Sukanta, you have already showed your screen. Let us hold on. Yeah, Vinay, Mukesh, any one of you can share your screen and display. Akanksha, Ajit, Ananya, Anusri, Arundhati.
सर मेरा लैपटॉप खराब है. I can't do anything.
Okay. Anyone else can share?
Sorry, sir.
Yes, Vinay. See, I just want to make it sure that everyone is comfortable with change detection. Okay, this is your one image. Fine. See, you can see a lot of greenery coming in the flooded area, right, Vinay?
Yes, sir.
You have displayed in, I think, true color. Image is in true color. So vegetation or the uh, whatever greenery on the ground is showing in green color. So are you able to identify which one is the flooded area and which one is not flooded? At least
Sir,
quickly.
I had put the formula which is mentioned in the manual, but my
Okay,
output is looking like this. I went here in raster calculator.
that is fine. Your output is correct. So maybe it is taking single band, no? Your output is a single band output.
Yes, sir.
So single band will always look in a gray color. That is correct. So now what the pixel, see that now what you have to do, you have to see the difference in the pixel values. Okay, fine, fine. So Anyone else want to? We will discuss the raster calculator. We will discuss. Maybe let me
Sir,
put.
one more thing, there is a mention of a plugin raster calc, but it's not uh, it's not
So
showing in
in
when I
your,
search.
yeah, in your plugins, your normal raster calculator is working.
Yes, sir, it's working.
So that is for NDVI. That plugin you. So further in your exercise, it is written NDVI.
Yes, sir, it's for NDA.
So NDVI you can also calculate without plugin also. Okay, fine. Anyone else can display?
So can I?
Yes, please. Okay, this is your one image.
So this is my first image and this
Hmm.
is my second image. And
Oh.
here the SVR difference image here.
Mhm. Okay, in change detection, mostly why this exercise? I mean, you can directly use the two images and find out the change. But mostly change detection is used to figure out the major highlights like flood, forest fire, earthquake. So something like that. But until and unless we visually satisfied ourselves on the image, we cannot trust on the automated output. So here visually, the many you know these are the my patches where there is a flood.
Yes, sir. I can identify the flooded area before and after.
Yes. Then when you have your output from the raster calculator, that you can back relate with this, and you can verify, okay, these are my waterlogged areas or flooded areas, and that I have mapped correctly. So for that, this connect and understanding is necessary. Otherwise, our interpretation may go wrong. Yes, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So anyone else also like to project your screen?
Sir, could you please repeat again what would go wrong? You mentioned.
See, like practically, if you are doing any change analysis exercise, let me tell you the real-time example here. Like there are some compensation schemes from government. See, I'll take example of Maharashtra. Like government is paying farmers some money based on the acreage affected because of that particular natural calamity. It may be either flood, it may be either dot. Both the scenario you can handle using remote sensing. Okay, if it is flood, then there will be water in some areas. Okay, so if it is flooded and crop is affected, then government will pay some amount of compensation based on per acre basis or farmers whose crop is lost. Now, if farmer has not sown anything and his area went under flood, then government may not supposed to pay because farmer has not sown the crop. He might be having planned to sow in next season, maybe not in Kharif, maybe in Rabi season. So what satellite will help us? Satellite will identify first which are the cropped areas. It will take image before the flood, so that will give us the cropped area. Then the one image at the time of flood, that will show the water inundated area. So the cropped area having the flood, that only consider, not all area. So that is one. Then you may have another image after receding of the flood to see uh, whether the crop is really damaged or not. So you can simply run the NDVI and you can get the vigor of the crop. If it is damaged, the NDVI will be very less. So this is the practical example. But before confirming our automated or algorithm based outputs, we should have visual understanding. Okay, this area is underwater or this area is not underwater. So once you get the output, you can correlate with your visual understanding. So the calculations will be based on pixel, but it should then again correlated with our visual understanding. That's why visual understanding is equally important. Okay. So anyone else want to project your screen?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, by comparing the before and after images, sir, it is
Hmm.
easier to know which one, which area is flooded and which area is not flooded, sir. But after doing the raster calculation, sir, the difference, I
Hmm.
cannot correlate with this one, sir. I cannot understand anything from the difference imagery, sir. Can you
No.
please help me out with that?
Once you get the output of your raster calculator, hopefully you might have subtracted one pixel value from another pixel value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So after subtraction, there will be what you can do, you can classify that image based on the pixel values. That day we have reclassified the image.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You reclassify and then group your pixel values considering the pixel values of the flooded area.
Okay, sir.
Then you will get some fill. Otherwise in grayscale image we will not get that.
In grayscale and in pseudo color also, nothing is clear, sir. I
And
cannot understand from the image, sir.
yes, yes. So you reclassify based on the pixel values. You know your flooded after raster calculation, your flooded area you know. You can check its pixel values, how much it is coming, and accordingly you can group maybe in one or two or three classes, whatever you want. Then it will
Okay,
give you different look and feel.
okay.
Yeah. So let us, if anyone want to showcase his screen, we can project or maybe spend some time and we'll see the raster calculator one more time.
Morning, sir. Can
Good
you hear
morning.
me?
Yes, yes, good morning.
So, can you ask somebody to demonstrate the first? How do you convert this into? I'm getting stuck in somewhere which I'm missing on. So, when we do, we need to go to style in the way manual says and change the bands, or any of the tip if somebody can demonstrate, maybe that
Okay,
would
okay,
help.
okay. We will we just wait for 5 minutes. Let's
Yes, yes.
others they complete. We'll have detailed demo, no problem.
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, I have did the reclassification also, sir. But the output of the reclassification also not good, sir. It is more confusing. It is showing only single color, sir.
Okay. Can you project?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. I have reclassified into this one is the difference, sir. As it is showing values from -1 to 141, sir. I have reclassified it into three categories, sir.
Okay. No. What is pixel values of flooded area or water area? What?
Flooded area per pixel value is ranging from -50 to 30, sir.
-50. So all minus you put in one class.
Yes, sir.
Just classify.
All plus in one class, sir.
No, one more you add. Uh, Maybe after zero, you had one -1 up to what? Minus, what is the lowest? Minus something to zero
-2,
or
1, 2, sir.
two, 2 plus. You are
Okay,
giving
sir.
up to 2 plus.
I am giving up to 0, sir. -2, 1, 2. Minimum is -2, 1, 2. Maximum is 0, sir.
ठीक
The
है.
first row.
Okay. Second, you give up to 3 or 4 pixel value. One
From
plus.
0 to 3.
हाँ.
Okay, sir.
Rest you put in one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Say okay.
Okay, sir.
In fact, there also you can classify. Okay, you give output. Let us see what it is giving.
This showing only this like this, sir. It is a single band, sir.
Huh.
I will put into pseudo color, sir. Can I put it like this, or I will
Yeah, you
classify this one into?
put any. In fact,
Okay,
here also, here itself we can do it.
yes, sir.
So
Nothing is visible.
that blue color you give another color. That is masking everything. Put in white. Where is your red pixels? Oh,
Nothing showing, sir.
mm, in fact, there itself. Just hold down. There itself also we can do. Let me Let me check in my image.
I also
Yes, yes. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Sir, can I stop projecting my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Stop for some time.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible, sir.
Okay, so this is my image number one. This is my image number two.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and what I did, I have not did very precisely, but I use this raster calculator, and in this raster calculator, uh, band 4 of one image minus band 4 of another image. Okay, so this I
Sir, you have
calculated.
given the formula before minus after, sir. But I have given after minus before, sir.
Okay, that oh, anyway, I'm just showing the process.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so and just I want to show why your image is not showing differentiation. That's why I'm just explaining the process. I'm not saving this output, just create on the fly. Okay, and say okay. So it has created this output. Now nothing is visible here, some dots are there. So you go to its properties again same way, symbology, single band gray. So what happens, we are calculating whole image as it is. In fact, there were already zero values in the image, which we have not removed at the borders and everywhere there were some pixel values that we have not removed. So what you can do, you just set your minimum. I'm setting minimum to 0. So it's a single band 0 to 180. 180 I'm keeping as it is, and I'm say making it make apply. So I'll get something like this. Okay, so you
Okay,
can
sir.
see this water area, and hopefully it should coincide with our this image. Now this one, this image.
Yes, sir.
Very precisely it is coming. If you check the pixel values here, you will get the differentiation. One, I think this one. So this one is showing some 18. Here it is showing say 115. So 18 versus 115. Now again you can export it based on the pixel values. You can take it back. Those say 18 I am getting, maybe I can check at another place, it will be something different. It's a 22. Maybe you can consider 25 at the max, and you can consider these pixels as a waterlogged or flooded area. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then so you have to calculate the NDVI of both the I mean datas. You know the same the formula for the NDVI. You have to use two bands, red and IR band. You calculate the NDVI for both. So that will give you different indication. NDVI will give you different indication. Like there are some other areas, agriculture, forest. So NDVI will help you to identify the change in that area. In fact, here you can see if you put the NDVI, so you will get this change, this red color. Even this also you will, in fact, using NDVI also you will get a lot of information here also. So use NDVI for both the images and then we'll move forward. I hope everyone is able to do this exercise. Okay, you spend few minutes on NDVI. Yes, Sukanta.
Sir, for LDBA, sir, here which formula we have to put, sir? Band 4 minus band 3 or band 3 minus band 2, sir?
See, which is your red band?
How to know this?
Your band number 3 is red band,
Band, yes, sir. Band number 3 is red. Okay,
and
okay.
you
I got
you
it.
want a IR band also.
I got it, got it.
4 and 3 use. Just I
Okay.
want to see the outputs of NDVI both for both the images.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Abhimanyu.
Sir, for a split second, your screen did appear, although I'm having some issues. So one thing that I noticed was that in the before layer, uh, you have two, one gray and one multi-band images before 107 13th April. You have two layers. One is just grayscale and one is this thing, colored one, right? Three band.
Yeah, no. These are the two layers. Original. This is first, after layer. This is before layer, and these are the outputs through raster calculator. This is the output.
Actually, sir, I'm not able to still. Okay, okay. It comes for a while, but again it disappears. Can you repeat, sir? It is appearing right now. So I see four layers in your layer panel.
No. These are only two layers. These are the outputs. This I can remove both the layers. So basically these are the two layers. This is layer 1, and this is one before image, and this is after image. Okay. And the third one which I have put down here is the output. Okay. I think
Actually, sir, it doesn't change when you're even when you're showing. No, I only see the screen for a few seconds. I'm not able to understand.
no, I
It's not
think
moving anything. So
I no no
if
no.
you
I
can
think
just
there
explain
is
in words.
some issue with your network.
Yes,
Hopefully,
yeah.
that's why the display is coming late for you. What I was saying, we have used two layers. These two. This is before layer. Okay. So is it visible now before layer?
Sir, I cannot see anything moving. So if you can just describe in words.
So we have used two layers. One is before layer, one is after layer. Basically, these are the two different season datas of the same year. Okay, one is in November and another is in April.
Okay.
During November, there was a water because of the rain in the surrounding area of the rivers, and in April, the rivers are at their minimum capacity. So all water recedes, and everywhere there is some cultivation and all. The areas where the areas those are in depression were now in cultivation because water has receded in April, and in depressions there is good amount of moisture and farmers are cultivating that area. So this we are capturing one November image, we are capturing the water, and in April image the water has receded. It's a normal now. So we are finding the difference. Where is the water in November, which area, and in April, where is the water? Okay. So in April, there will be water only in the rivers as a natural river course or river flow, whereas in November, there is a water which is over flooded. that is flooded the nearby area. So we are mapping the flooded area using these two image, and this is the let me now display the, this is the output what we got from the using both the images. We have just simply what we did, we just subtracted the pixel values of one image from the another image, and we got this output. So in this image, the pixel values which they are lower pixel values. So before that, what we did, we removed all the errors from the image. Less than 0 pixel, we are less than 0 values we are not considering. We have removed that because these are the noise in the image. So now the pixel values who are coming less, say around 15, 20, or say up to 25, that we will consider as a flooded area or water area, uh, at this stage water area. So those pixel having pixel values say less than 25 is a water right now. Okay, so we got the area where there is a water. Now we have another area we can take from the April image, that is only river course, the water present in the river course. So that is the natural. So we can minimize that pixels where the water is there in the river. Again, we have to do one more raster calculation, and then we'll get only the flooded area because of the flood, area inundated because of the water due to the overflowing of the river or due to the flood, that we can map. Okay, is it okay, Abhimanyu?
So there are two raster calculations. So one is simple difference between before and after, and the another one was.
Another one we are doing with NDVI, that we have not did at right now, but just a simple NDVI we will do for both the images, and that will also give us a wonderful data. Again, you can use some subtraction using the NDVI, and you can generate third data also. But that we are not doing, but we will stop up to NDVI. We will generate the NDVI for both the images.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes.
So the NDVI is completed, sir. Can you please help me out, sir, in how to identify the difference, sir?
Okay. Can you project your NDVI?
Yes, sir. I am projecting, sir. This one is before, sir.
Wait, it's coming. Yeah. So you have given some color codes. Okay.
Pseudo
Can
colors.
you check? Yeah, no problem. Can you check the pixel value? Pixel value where you know this is water. Just check pixel value, and pixel value where there is no water or there is some vegetation.
Yes, sir. Loss is showing, sir. Water, sir.
What is the pixel value for water coming?
For water, it is zero point 0.5, sir.
No, no, no. What is here? Pixel value?
Minus 0.04, sir.
So that point 5 in earlier image, if you see the image, there is lush green vegetation. Okay. So here, if it is minus 5, so
Uh,
everywhere your water will give minimum value. So the NDVI ranges from say uh, m- -1 to +1.
minus 1 to +1. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So anything above 4 or above 5 is a vegetation, clear cut vegetation. And if it is above 6 and 7, that is lush green good vegetation. So now it is
But
very
this is from
easy.
-1 to 1, na, sir.
-1 to 1, -1 to +1.
First one, sir.
Yeah. So anything goes towards minus, I mean, minimum value, that is deviate of vegetation. That means there is no vegetation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So there is no vegetation means something else, because uh, you have data of November. So by default, November, everywhere there will be greenery except the rocky areas and the sandy areas. So at least grass will grow. If no crop, nothing else, at least grass will grow. So that will give us some NDVI. But if it is very low, that means there is no grass, no crop, no forest. So what else? Possibility of
Water.
water only. So this way NDVI will help. Here also you can again use this 2 times NDVI and do lot of analysis out of it, but will not go there. Same plus minus you can do and you can find out. So I think everyone should generate the NDVI on your own, so that we can close this exercise.
Sir, I'm still trying to understand the logic. So, if the values of the differences are less, then it is flooded. And why is this? What is the logic behind this? If the values of the difference is less than, or
Uh, okay, Abhimanyu. Actually, when we are calculating the NDVI, so NDVI is a ratio of two bands. Okay, so all the vegetation means water. Okay, so all the vegetation, they reflect more in the NIR band, near infrared band. If you see the spectral profile of any of the vegetation, so you will get lot of peaks, high peaks in NIR band, near infrared band. After say 0.7 nanometer, you will get high peaks because vegetation reflects more in that. Especially the water in the vegetation, they contribute lot of in the reflection of the NIR light, and that's why NDVI we are using to know the health of plant. If there are dry spells, there is no water, so all the leaves they will shrink, and the NDVI values will be less, right? So the formula of NDVI is NIR minus red, near infrared band values minus red band values, divided by NIR band values plus red band values. So simple formula is a simple ratio basically of these two bands. So what happens if the value is more? If the NDVI value is more, then there is a good amount of vegetation on the ground. If the value is less, then the vegetation is not that much good, or the land is not having any vegetation. So depend on the NDVI value. As I told, NDVI ranges from -1 to +1. Okay. So anything above say 0.5 is a good vegetation. Okay. So accordingly, if you come to the point 2, point 1, so these are the land parcels where a small, very sparse little vegetation, or maybe vegetation that is going to die after some time because of the water scarcity and all. So as you go towards the plus, towards the 1, you will get the good vegetation. As you go down towards the minus or lower values, the vegetation is less. So we are using NDVI indirectly to identify water. So technically lower NDVI means not water always, but we know this is the November month season. At least there will be grass on the ground if nothing is happen, nothing is grown. So that grass will also contribute to NDVI values. At least we will get point 0.2 or point 0.1, 0.15, something will uh, uh, get in the NDVI. But you are not getting anything. That means there are only few possibilities. Either that particular pixel is a rock outcrop which doesn't support any vegetation. Okay. And that is, I mean, sheet rock. If the rock is broken, there are some cracks in between, there also you will get the some grasses grow. I'm just orienting you on the ground situation. So that small piece of grasses, they will also contribute in the NDVI. So you will not get, I mean, very less value. Another is if it is a pure sand of the sand like things where they cannot support any of the vegetation. So in that case, you will get lesser NDVI. Third scenario, if there is a water, then then you will get the very less values, maybe some minus values you will get there, and that means there is a water. So this is indirect lieu, and whole remote sensing, the technique we are using is mapping the feature on the earth surface without being in a physical context. So everything what we are doing is an indirect way. So everything we are mapping through the indirect ways and means, and that is the definition also of remote sensing. So the lower NDVI shows your water here. Clear?
So, sir, but before we were doing the flooding, we were identifying flooded areas without NDVI also, right?
Yes, there are many ways actually to have the change detection depending on what type of change we want to map. One one exercise we did, we mapped the flooded area. Okay, that is first exercise. Another exercise, we are doing NDVI with the purpose to map the flooded area. So there are many ways. Even mean to say, even if you don't use NDVI, you did nothing. No any specified method. You can identify the pixels which are having the values, lower values. So that also you can directly map this. The pixel value say 1 to 10 is my waterlogged area. You can just go into the raster calculator and find out these pixels. This is one way. So there are many ways to find out change detection.
So maybe my understanding is not that right now, but if if we were to identify flooded areas, then let's say in the first method without NDVI, the
Yeah.
the differences were, if the differences was high, then I would assume that the flood it is flooded rather than differences, because the between April and November, the main difference is because of the flooding. So if the high difference would mean that it is flooded, I thought that in our interpretation, what we were doing, the two different the difference, if it is less, then we are interpreting as flooded.
Yeah, that depends on what formula we have used. Like here we are doing subtraction. That depends on the formula because we are putting some logic. We are just subtracting one pixel value from the another data's pixel value. This is just one example, but you can put you can handle it in a different way also.
So even if we take subtraction, then if there is no change, so that means there is no flooding. That means the value should be low. If if it is flooded and the subtraction values would give greater numbers, the ultimate I mean the result should be high. So high numbers should indicate flooding, right?
No, you mean to say if one say flooded will be having say one pixel value and another is having say 5 pixel value, so output will get 4. And in case of the another scenario, if it is not flooded, so it will be having 3 pixel value and another is 5. So 4 against 5 is 4 against 5.
Yeah, so if it is, let's say, if it is flooded, then it is 5. If it is not flooded, it is 0. So if you
Yeah,
subtract 5
and
minus 5, then it is 0. If it is 5 minus 0, it is 5. So if it is not flooded, then the difference should be more. If it is
right,
flooded, then the difference should be less.
right, it all depends on the what logic we are putting in the formula. Based on that, we can classify it. Either it is higher, lower. I mean, subtraction is just an example. You can use another ways also in raster calculator.
Yeah.
Even NDVI also, that also we can take for addition and subtraction, and then we can find out the flooded area. And not always the we are mapping the flooded area. Change detection can anything. Say for example, say 10 years back there is a forest area, and today that forest area is completely cut off, is went away. So if you want to have a change detection in forest area, so y- of course you will take NDVIs because that is the best way to measure the to map the vegetation. So depending on the purpose, you have to select the algorithm also. You have to select the manipulation method like addition, subtraction, or anything. But anything, even addition will also work, subtraction will also work, multiplication will also work, even division will also work because we are relating our output with the logic what we applied in raster calculator. So anything will work. Okay. I just want to know whether you understand the concept or not. Are you okay with the change detection given point of time if you have been provided with more two or more than two datas? Are you able to do the change detection correctly? What is your confidence level? Now on say 1 to 10 scale, what is your confidence level? 1 being lowest and 10 being highest. Okay. What about others? What is your confidence level? 1 being poor, lowest, and 10 being good confidence, highest. So, where are you think you are in? Okay. What about others? Okay, Sarthak. Where you rate yourself? Okay, Samiran. Okay, 4 of you have replied. Yeah, Abhimanyu, you have some connectivity issue today. Okay, I'll not consider your response here. So, 4 students has dare to at least assess themselves, जो कि सब दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा काम होता है कि खुद को असेस करना। हम दूसरों को तो बहुत जल्दी माप लेते हैं, नाप लेते हैं, लेकिन जब खुद का बारी आता है तो बड़ा मुश्किल काम होता है। ठीक है, खुद का असेसमेंट इज ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट, बट आउट ऑफ द 4 reply, so it is 2 students has mapped themselves on 3 and 2 mapped themselves on 2. Okay, Ajit, you might have missed your earlier classes. So, based on this data, uh, what I see, like this particular exercise looks difficult from your point of view, because again, out of 10, uh, the rating is 2.4, 2.5 average as per your understanding. So that means around 25% I can see. Okay, so let me put one more demo, so that yeah, someone, Ritu has also requested, but we were moving on to some other stuff. So we can have a one more demo, slow and detailed demo, so that everyone will catch up if anything is missed. Okay, so how to go for demo? Any one of you will want to share the screen and give the demo? or you want me to share the screen?
Sir, you please, sir, you please, sir. We can, I can share the demo, but I cannot demonstrate, sir.
Okay, I'll share my screen,
Okay.
and we'll have this complete exercise again, so that if you have missed anything, you can again catch it up. So let me remove everything. Let me close this also. This part. So let us start from the scratch. This also I will discard. Okay. So the first step, I will open the layers. So, oh, I have not shared my screen. Huh?
Yes, you got to share your screen.
Sorry. So what I did, I removed all the earlier layers with me. So this is my fresh QGIS window. Okay, in that window I'll just open the layers. So minimum we require two seasons, two time period satellite data. So I will add the layers, the same layers which I have shared with you. Okay, layer, then add raster, and here I have to give the path. So first I am adding the before layer. Okay, so this is my before layer. Open the file, add. So it is added below this. Then again I will go to the after layer. This is in the same directory. So open and add. Okay, so I have added these two layers. Correct. This is my before layer. Let me change little its symbology. So I am changing properties. If you have any doubt, you can raise there itself. We can discuss. This is symbology. I am taking it in multi-band. So red is my third band. So green I will keep second, and blue I will keep band number 1. Okay, and I will display it. So my image looks like this. Okay, so here, especially for Sukanta, I just want to show you the pixel values. It's a 0 0, this one 0. Okay, so that's why there was problem in display, because these 0 values are also coming. That's why we change the extent, minimum and maximum. So minimum we change, then it was correct, display was okay. So okay, this is my first image, before image. You can see here. Now this is April image, and this is my second image, where I will also change its band combinations. Same, I will display same band combination, 3 to 1. Okay, so actual, in the real sense, because this is our lab exercise, so we are just taking two dummy images and doing. But in real sense, you will be having, say, multi-year image also, na? This is of the same years. So in the month of April, this was the situation on the ground, where you will see the water only in the rivers. Correct. So this visually we have to convince ourselves where is the water. if my purpose is to map the flooded area, first of all I will see before flooded what is the situation. So before flooded, this is the situation. Water I can see only in the river and some small dams here and there, like these are the small reservoirs or oxbow lakes, whatever you call, classify it, but not flooded. Okay, the point is important is not flooded. Similarly, after April, after few months, now I will open the November image. So in November, I can see little more water. These are the little extent of the water in the nearby field or depression areas. Okay, so this is my April image. This is my November image. So I can say there is some water. You can see this patch, you can see this patch, you can see the water extend in the river, and there will be water here and there in the November. Now our purpose is what? Purpose is to map this water. Okay. Now what we can do visually, we confirm. Okay, then we can go to the raster calculator. Now you tell me how you want the formula. So whatever formula we are putting here, depending on that you will get the output. Okay, so before doing that, again if you want to reconfirm whether it is water, we are classifying is a water or some mining area or some other activity. So what we can do, I just keep this as it is QGIS. I will open another window. Let it get open. So again I will go to the layer, add raster layer. So I'll put after image here, open, add, okay, and close. So here what I know, I am targeting a water. So what I will do, I will use its fourth band here. It may be single band gray, it's fine for me. So I'll select the band number 4 here because I know it will help me to identify water correctly. Now you can see the water patches, it's easily identified. Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
So now I am 100% sure whatever the output I will get, I will map along with this. So I am 100% sure these are the patches, these are the patches, these are the patches. In even in the river, this is the 100% water. So I have oriented myself. So there will not be any mistake while doing the actual mapping. Okay. So now I'll come here and I will open the raster calculator. Okay, so raster calculator is in raster calculator. Okay, so I'll not save this output, so I'll create the virtual layer for time being. Now, after layer, see the logic we are putting here. In my after layer, water will be having what pixel values. Let us measure first and then we'll put the logic here. See, let me check here after layer. After is having 15 and before is having 30. Okay, another place after 33 and before 77. So before will have more pixel value compared to the after, because after there is a water. So if we know these pixel values and we know the target is to map the water, so I'll go to the raster calculator. Okay, so my after layer will be having lesser pixel value, so I am just taking my before layer which is having higher pixel values. I am considering band 4 minus, I will take after layer which will be having lower pixel values. Right, Abhimanyu? So,
Yes.
so because in practical exercise we are just try to understand and learn the process, but when we are doing it and practically, then we have to put the logic and uh, select the options and formulas accordingly. So we'll create just virtual layer here, will not save, and say okay. It is here, the layer is created here. This is the layer. Now nothing is visible. So what we will do, let us uh, make it a little better. Gray color, single band gray color. Uh, you can put single band pseudo color also. Whatever you want, you can put gray color and pseudo color also. So this is noise, you know, these are the noise. I will put 0 so that we'll get some logical map here. So these are my mapped areas. You can see water here showing me 14. This is 16 and nearby area is showing 100. So 14, 15, 16 versus 100 something is coming. Okay, in fact in the river also you can see when there are some grasses and all here, definitely they will be having more pixel values. See 168. So this is nothing but some lush green vegetation naturally grows uh, along the river side. So this way you can easily map the water. So it is showing 14. Even this is also some waterlogged area. What is the pixel is 14. So is it clear up to here? This is my output where now easily I can say it is coming 14. So I can easily say less than 14 or less than 20 is my flooded area. Can I say like this? Because this 14, this looks little more, I mean, because this is river, so deep water, so this is giving 14, this 14 or 15 value, but at other places it may not give the 14 or 15, it will be little more also. So we can say less than say 20 are is my flooded area or is my water area. We can also check at other places also. Here we can check. This also looks like a water. Here I can check. What is the value coming? Oh, it's minus. It's showing minus. This is also minus. Let us check. See, the color is very dark here compared to light blue.
That might be the shadow, sir.
Uh, Maybe I don't know exactly right now, but possibility of shadow is also there because if you see these structures, this maybe I'm this also, we require some more proof, but it might be shadow. You are right. We have to check it because color is different. Even here also, -12, -5. These all are areas underwater. So okay, up to this part, is it okay? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है तो बताओ.
Sorry, sir. Can I just?
Yes.
So once the pseudo layer is created, then we do away with the negative this thing because they might be the noise.
No, but these negatives is here. They are also.
And so before that, once the pseudo layer we create and there's a
Uh,
gray band to us,
uh,
so before we make it a colored band, we do away with the negative values on the screen.
hmm.
And then we pick up any of the colored this thing,
Yeah, yeah,
color bands.
yes.
So instead of -3.4 something, we make it 0. And then maximum could be 181, whatever. And then when one, instead of black and white, we convert it into.
For display purpose, we can use single colors, I mean single band
Multi-band
color,
color.
pseudo color. We can display in whatever fashion we want. In fact,
Okay.
you can change the color also. See, another way, if you go here, symbology, and you want to display only the lower values, na?
Right.
Here. For higher values, you make it white. Now it has broken naturally. So you don't want to show, say, values maybe about 20 or 25. So you can change the color of this, and then you can give some color, maybe some black or something, whatever you want. So that will be one part, and the rest of this will be another part. So I mean, you have to either you have to group into one or two part, or maybe uh, you can change color for each one. So better. So ideally, what I will suggest, you group this into two part, or maybe 3 to 4 part maximum, and for water you assign certain color, and rest
Right.
you assign some other color. So then it will look like a good flooded area map. Up to here, is it okay? Everyone is okay?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have completed. I just want to share my screen. I have some queries. Can I share my screen?
Okay, just hold for a second. Just
Okay,
hold
sir.
for a second. Just I want confirmation. Damini, Ajit, you are saying okay. Logic, uh, Shailendra is saying okay. So up to here, is there any doubt, question in your mind? Where is QGS? Yeah, here it is. We were on this window. Okay. Up to here, is it okay? Can you identify the any change? Can you detect any change? visually as well as using the raster calculator.
Sir, I want to share my screen. I have some doubt in this one only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I believe up to here there is no doubt. Yes, please share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Please stop my screen.
What?
Entire screen. Set.
Ito.
Ah, share. Click करो है screen.
Yeah. Yeah. Sir. Sir, is my screen showing? Yeah. Sir, here na, sir, like, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Wait, sir. Sir, I have created this raster calculation. Sir, what is? Wait, sir, it's not responding. Yeah. So what is the difference between this one? Like why we did this one? Can you just tell me? Like we did this calculation, na? And this is the after and before image. So like why we did this calculation, raster calculation?
Okay. So we have two times data,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So let me put
So
in a different scenario. Let us forget water for some time. Let me put in different scenario. Say I have two season data
yeah.
of the forest.
Hmm.
Okay, the land use on the ground is a forest. I have two season data and
Hmm.
I have evergreen forest. So
Hmm.
that is also will remove all the kintu parantu if and but. So I have evergreen forest on the ground and I have two season data. Okay,
Hmm.
one data is say last year's data and another data is say this year's data. One data is of 24, another data is of 25. Okay, so and land use is a forest, evergreen forest on the ground. So
Yeah.
if I did the same subtraction, just just right now we did same subtraction from one data to another data. Okay, so
Hmm.
for example, 2000, say we have selected one band, again we'll select the NIR band only. NIR band of 2024's data minus NIR band of say 2025. हमने सब्सट्रैक्शन कर लिया, क्या होगा रियल सिनेरियो 24 के जो डाटा था उसका जो पिक्सल वैल्यू था से 100 था,
हाँ.
आज का जो डाटा है उसका पिक्सल वैल्यू है 98,
हाँ.
सब्सट्रैक्ट किया डिफरेंस आया 2,
हाँ.
ये 2 जो जाएगा उस पर्टिकुलर पिक्सल में जो आउटपुट आएगा उसमें गया 2 वैल्यू आया, ठीक है।
Hmm.
एट इन दिस सेम डेटाज अब दूसरे लोकेशन दूसरे पिक्सल का वैल्यू था 2024 में 100 ही था उसका भी, और आज का उसका वैल्यू आया 2,
हाँ.
आउटपुट में जाएगा 98,
हाँ.
करेक्ट। तो उसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 2024 और आज
Hmm.
में जो पिक्सल वैल्यू आया उसमें ड्रास्टिकली चेंज आया है कुछ,
Hmm.
वो पिक्सल आप आइडेंटिफाई करोगे कि यहाँ पे चेंज है, समथिंग
Hmm.
हैज चेंज्ड सडनली, फिर वो पिक्सल आपने आइडेंटिफाई किया। सिमिलरली ऐसे जितने भी पिक्सल है जिसमें ड्रास्टिकली चेंज हो गया,
Hmm.
100 से 105 गया या 95 गया तो ठीक है, उतना चेंजेस पॉसिबल है,
Hmm.
बट इसका तो दोनों को माइनस किया तो जो 2 4 5 आना था वो डायरेक्ट 95 में गया, मल्टीफोल्ड चेंज हुआ। इसका मतलब कुछ हुआ है, समथिंग इज हैपेंड एट दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ पिक्सल्स। वो समथिंग क्या है उसका लॉजिक आप लगाएंगे। वो समथिंग ये भी हो सकता है कि फॉरेस्ट एरिया वहाँ का कट हो गया, समथिंग ये भी हो सकता है किसी ने फायर लगाया, समथिंग कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो वो समथिंग जो है आपका, जो सडन ये चेंज आया वो चेंज को आपने मैप किया और आप उस चेंज को फिर आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे कि क्या है। तो ये
सर या सर, मेरा अभी ना जो किया है, आप एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं कि ये मैंने करेक्ट किया है या कुछ गलत है?
हाँ चेक करेंगे। आपको ये लॉजिक समझ में आया कि हम ये जो आपने
यस सर।
पूछा था ना कि हम सब्सट्रैक्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं,
हाँ, आया।
तो इसके यहाँ पे हमने सब्सट्रैक्शन यूज किया। जरूरी नहीं है कि एवरी टाइम यू यूज सब्सट्रैक्शन, यू कैन यूज एडिशन ऑल्सो ना।
तो सर एडिशन का मतलब क्या, कौन सा केस में हम लोग एडिशन करेंगे? जैसे यहाँ का डिफरेंस जानने के लिए लाइक 1 ईयर टू 1 ईयर वी विल डू सब्सट्रैक्शन, लाइक फॉर एडिशन लाइक कैसे सिचुएशन में हम लोग एडिशन करते हैं?
नहीं, एडिशन हम यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, डिपेंड हम क्या लॉजिक लगा रहे हैं और क्या मैप कर रहे हैं। जैसे फॉरेस्ट मैप कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे सब्सट्रैक्शन की जगह पे एडिशन लगाएंगे तो वो थोड़ा सा आपको इजी लगेगा। हालांकि दोनों भी लगा के कर सकते हैं। जैसे एक पिक्सल का वैल्यू 100 है, दूसरे का भी अराउंड 100 है, तो आपका पिक्सल आउटपुट जाएगा 200, लेकिन
हाँ
200 की जगह पे 100 आ रहा है या 90 आ रहा है या ऐसी कुछ आ रहा है, तो देन देर इज ए ड्रास्टिक चेंज।
या
ओके, सो ये लॉजिक है, जो लॉजिक हम यहाँ पे डाल रहे हैं फॉर्मूला में, उसी हिसाब से हमें आउटपुट को असेस करना है। आप
ओके।
बताइए, आप एक्सप्लेन करिए।
सर आप ये मेरा ये चेक कीजिए ना, ये करेक्ट है कि नहीं। जैसे ये बिफोर, ये जो मैंने रास्टर कैलकुलेशन किया था इसका अ, अ, ऐसे ये
15 या 16 आ रहा है,
हाँ।
20 आ रहा है, कितना है वैल्यू? 20 है शायद, 19 है।
और आफ्टर में अगर देखती हूँ तो इट इज कमिंग दिस मच 20, देन बिफोर
हाँ,
में इट इज कमिंग।
नहीं, अभी यहाँ पे बिफोर एंड आफ्टर का देखने का जो लॉजिक है, उसमें दो पर्पस है। एक ये है कि आपका जो फॉर्मूला था वो सही काम किया है या नहीं किया। तो वो आप एक ही पिक्सल सिलेक्ट करेंगे, उसका बिफोर माइनस आफ्टर जो भी फॉर्मूला डाला है वो मैन्युअली भी करके देख सकते हो, उतना आपका आउटपुट में वैल्यू आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा है। एक पर्पज ये है। और इसको अभी आपने वैसे बहुत अच्छे से क्लासीफाई किया है, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर। जो मेरा लुक एंड फील था वो सेम ही दिख रहा है, सेम ही ऑलमोस्ट। इसमें बहुत इजीली आपका जो फ्लडेड एरिया या जो वाटर एरिया वो आपका हाईलाइट हो रहा है, आपको भी दिख रहा होगा इजीली। तो ये आपका ब्लू कलर जो है आपको इजीली हाईलाइट हो रहा है इसमें।
ओके
तो ये प्रोसीजर वाइज ऑल राइट है, आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
ओके
इसमें।
सर, थैंक यू।
वेलकम। और किसी को कोई इसमें डिस्कस करना है, डाउट है? एनडीवीआई कैलकुलेट करें आगे, या यू आर ओके विद एनडीवीआई? कहाँ गया? शैल आई कैलकुलेट एनडीवीआई और इज इट ओके? आप लोगों ने वैसे किया था एनडीवीआई उस दिन के प्रैक्टिकल में? अनुश्री ओके, ठीक है। मनप्रीत इज शोइंग साक्षी, ठीक है। नहीं करते कैलकुलेट, आपको पता है एनडीवीआई। एनआईआर बैंड को लेना है, एनआईआर बैंड 4 है, माइनस आपका रेड बैंड करना है, रेड बैंड आपका 3 है, जस्ट फॉर्मूला में डालना है। डिवाइडेड बाय क्या करना है, एनआईआर बैंड नंबर 4 प्लस बैंड नंबर 3, ठीक है। ब्रैकेट वगैरह अच्छे से डाल के इसको रन करेंगे तो आपको एनडीवीआई इंडिविजुअल लेयर का आ जाएगा, ठीक है। गोइंग फॉरवर्ड जब थोड़ा आप और ज़्यादा यूज टू हो जाओगे, अभी थोड़ा सा अभी अच्छे से आप लोग यूज टू तो हुए हैं, लेकिन और आपका प्रैक्टिस बढ़ेगा तो आप ये दोनों भी एनडीवीआई के फॉर्मूले दोनों लेयर का डालना है ना, एक ही रास्टर कैलकुलेटर में डालेंगे एनडीवीआई से, एक लेयर का एनडीवीआई हो गया फार्मूला, एक बड़े से ब्रैकेट में इसको लगा दिया, फिर दूसरे लेयर का एनडीवीआई लगा दिया, दोनों के बीच में आपको प्लस माइनस जो भी करना है वो भी यहाँ पे डाल के आप डायरेक्टली यू कैन जनरेट आउटपुट। तो इंडिविजुअल एनडीवीआई जनरेट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट उसके ऊपर जो एनालिसिस करके आउटपुट करना है वो जनरेट हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और भी आप एडवांस में जाते हो, थोड़ा सा आप इसका प्रोग्रामिंग का हेल्प लेते हो, थोड़ा सा कोडिंग का, तो आप इंडिविजुअल लेयर का भी एनडीवीआई का एक आउटपुट आएंगे, आपका जो फाइनल कैलकुलेशन है उसका भी एक आउटपुट आएगा। आई मीन देर इज लॉट ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, एज यू ग्रो डेवलप योर सेल्फ यू कैन डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। तो होप अभी हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव हुआ।
यस सर।
ठीक है, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है।
सर एक मिनट सर। सर
हाँ,
जैसे आपने बताया ना, मैंने बिल्कुल वही स्टेप मैंने फॉलो किया है, लेकिन रिजल्ट कुछ मेरा अलग आ रहा है। मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा सर, 1-2 मिनट
कोई
लूँगा
बात नहीं,
अपना।
कोई बात नहीं, दिखा दो, प्रोजेक्ट करो। अभी किसने किया था? चिन्मोई ने किया था ना, उनका तो ऑलमोस्ट कलर भी उन्होंने सेम स्कीम रखा था,
यस
तो ये देखो मेरा
यस
आउटपुट
यस सर।
सेम ही था।
सर मुझे
अच्छा
लगता
वो,
है कि शायद क्यूजेस वर्सन से अलग अलग है, इसलिए मैं मेरा रिजल्ट अलग आ रहा है। मैं कर देता हूँ सर,
कोई
ज़्यादा
बात नहीं।
टाइम नहीं लूँगा।
दोनों के भी बॉन्ड बैंड 4 लिए ना आपने?
यस सर।
ओके, और
बैंड
माइनस कर रहे?
4।
ओके,
और
करिए।
यहाँ पे सर मेरे को ये मैंडेटरी है, इसको आउटपुट को सेव करना है।
अच्छा,
जैसे
आप
आपका
यू यू
आप
यू वोंट गेट दिस virtual output option in your dialog box?
यस यस सर, आई विल
You
गेट।
won't get, okay. Which version is this?
3.1 सर।
Okay. No, there will be some slight changes. No problem. You save at some place. सिंगल sudo यूज किया ना? ओके।
सर जैसे सर
यूज,
0 के लिए मेरे तो कलर कोडिंग आ रहा है ना सर, आपका उल्टा आ रहा है सर। आपका 202 के लिए रेड आ रहा है, और ऐसे आ रहा है सर।
maybe I think you change the strip again. You select color strip.
स्पेक्ट्रल 1 सर।
Okay. Maybe I think because of the version, so you are getting by default this red strip.
यस यस सर।
Select first one blue. Let us see how it is displaying. So it is giving reverse display. Though
यस यस
features which you want to highlight that are going in fade. Oh, wow,
यस
brightest color. Okay. So I think this is because of the version only.
यस सर, प्रोसेस समझ में आ गया, बस रिजल्ट थोड़ा
हाँ,
डिफरेंट आ रहा था, क्यों आ रहा था वही पूछ रहा था।
नहीं, look and feel
आपका
वो,
सब वर्सन सर।
look and feel is because of I think version only.
ओके सर, आपका कौन सा वर्सन आप यूज कर रहे हैं?
I don't know which I have displayed because I think I have two, three versions. Let me check.
मैं भी अबव 3.3।
I don't know. 3.22.8.
ओके सर।
See, actually, some of the plugins, no, they are, I mean, the version specific also. So I keep two, three versions. Even I have very old also, one point something also in my another laptop I have kept. Okay, so is it okay up to here? आज थोड़ा माहौल ठंडा लग रहा है. ओके सुकांता मनप्रीत, ठीक है भरत. आज थोड़ा आप लोग डाउन लग रहे हैं मुझे, थोड़ा एनर्जी लेवल. क्या बात है. शैलेंद्र मनप्रीत, ओके. या दामिनी, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? साक्षी,
Oh,
ओके.
sir, I have one doubt.
यस प्लीज.
सर मैं फिर से परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ सब्सट्रैक्शन, तो कुछ अलग ही रिजल्ट आ रहा है। स्क्रीन
कुछ बैंड आपने गलत लिया होगा या?
सर स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकते हैं?
करिए करिए,
ओके।
तभी तो मजा आएगा. सब लोगों के अगर अच्छे रिजल्ट आएंगे एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट, तो मेरा जरूरत ही नहीं है इधर बैठने का.
सर ये दो बैंड्स हमने लिए हैं, बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. अब हम रेस्टर कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. ठीक है, तो हम पहले आफ्टर इमेज लेंगे माइनस बिफोर.
बिफोर माइनस आफ्टर.
ओके, बिफोर
माइनस आफ्टर.
यस
लेकिन ये आपके सिंगल बैंड इमेजेस है ना दोनों भी? अच्छा, ये
यस
आपका आउटपुट आया.
यस सर.
तो करिए इसको डिस्प्ले. लेकिन आपने बैंड कौन से यूज किए? दोनों में भी 4 बैंड यूज किए ना? बैंड
यस
नंबर
सर
4.
फोर. यस सर, बैंड 4 यूज किए.
ठीक है, आप जाइए सिंबोलॉजी में, देखते क्या आएगा. नो 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 नो, आप उसके सिंबोलॉजी में जाइए ना, राइट क्लिक करके, जो आप आउटपुट है उसके
सर उसी की सिंबोलॉजी है.
वापस जाइए.
ओके.
मुझे थोड़ा दिखाई नहीं वो ऑप्शन आपका. आप सिंबोलॉजी का जो डायलॉग बॉक्स कहाँ ओपन है आपका?
ये सर.
शायद इंटायर स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर्ड है सर.
अच्छा अच्छा.
ओके.
आप QGIS का हमें दिख नहीं रहा है. आपने किया जो डायरेक्ट आउटपुट दिखा हमें, वो आपका वो नहीं दिखा. मैं जस्ट देखना चाहता हूँ कि उसमें कुछ मिस तो नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि आउटपुट ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही आएगा सबका. हाँ, अब आ रहा है स्क्रीन आपका. सिंबोलॉजी, ओके. आपने लिया है ऊपर सीडो कलर ना, सिंगल बैंड सीडो कलर, सीडो कलर.
यस सर.
इसको जीरो कर दीजिए पूरा, मेन को. पुट इट जीरो. मैक्स क्या आ रहा है? 180 के
180.
आसपास. ठीक
यस
है.
सर.
और ये ठीक है.
अभी सही आ गया.
कहीं कुछ मिस हो गया होगा मे
हाँ
बी.
सर, हो सकता है.
सबका ऑलमोस्ट सेम आएगा वर्जन की वजह से, या किसी के डिफॉल्ट में कुछ अलग से सेट किया है तो थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हो सकता है. ठीक है, गुड. और कोई डाउट है किसी का? रन नहीं हो रहा है, या कुछ कोई स्टेप स्टेप मिस हो रहा है, या आप उसको समझ नहीं पा रहे प्रॉपरली उस स्टेप को? अगर ऐसा कोई केस है तो आप बताओ. यस शैलेंद्र.
Sir, can I share my screen?
यस यस. आप शेयर करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जब तक सब लोगों का चेंज डिटेक्शन नहीं होगा, हम लोग अगले एक्सरसाइज में एंटर करेंगे ही नहीं. वंस यू एवरीवन कंफर्म, देन ओनली वी विल एंटर इनटू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. किसी को भी आधे में छोड़ के नहीं जाएंगे. आपका शेयर नहीं हुआ है शायद.
Uh,
हाँ,
sir.
नाउ इट इज कमिंग. यस यस.
Sir, why it is coming red color beyond the chain detection image?
हाँ, आप जीरो हटा दो ना, आप जाइए उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज में, सिंबोलॉजी में।
It's already 0 and 198.
सिंगल बैंड सिडो कलर।
Should I perform it again, sir?
नो नो आएगा, वेट वेट वेट। आपने जीरो को थोड़ा सा वहां पे चेंज करो ना। आपने जीरो को एकदम ब्राइट कलर दिया है ना, जीरो की जगह पे थोड़ा सा हल्का सा बढ़ा दो, 0.1 करो, 0.1 0.2 ऐसे
Okay.
कुछ ले रहा है क्या पॉइंट में? नहीं 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 नहीं, वहां नहीं, वहां नहीं, ऊपर ऊपर जो मीन है ना आपका मीन।
Okay.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा इसको। अच्छा, नीचे भी आपने चेंज किया क्या? नहीं ना।
सर ये अभी पहले से था ये।
हाँ ठीक है, रहने दो, 0.1 करो, 0.1 0.2 कुछ करो, आपका लुक एंड फील चेंज होता है क्या देखते हैं। नहीं हो रहा है।
It's not coming, sir.
हम्म,
I do it again, sir.
अच्छा करो।
Raster converter I have taken before band 4, then minus after band 4.
सीडो, सिंगल सीडो।
सिंगल बैंड सुडो करो।
हाँ
जस्ट
सर, यहाँ पे वो मिस हो गया ना, तो मिनिमम जीरो जीरो। हाँ बस वो।
एक मिनट।
बस आप करो, ओके। आपका थोड़ा कलर स्ट्रिप अलग आ रहा है, और रेड इज हाईलाइटेड, वो ऐसे ही आएगा ये भी। रेड को चेंज कर दो, वो कलर स्ट्रिप चेंज कर दो आपका।
ओके
और आपके पास भी ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है, ये कौन सा वर्जन है?
सर, इट्स 3.38।
3.3 फर्स्ट वाला ले लो ना, फर्स्ट वाला ओवरव्यू आएगा। ये आपका भी सुकंता जैसा ही केस हो रहा है, जिसको हाईलाइट आपको करना चाहते हो ना, वो
ओके
थोड़ा
सर।
वाइटिश टिंच में जा रहा है, क्योंकि वो ये वर्जन में भी क्या कर रहा है ना, जो हायर वैल्यूज है
राइट सर।
उसको उसको प्रेफर कर रहा है,
ओके।
इसलिए जो पिक्सल वैल्यूज कम वाले हैं वो आपके वाइटिश में आ रहे हैं। लेकिन ठीक है, आउटपुट वाइज कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लुक एंड फील का थोड़ा इशू है, वो सॉफ्टवेयर स्पेसिफिक आ रहा है। लेकिन इसको भी हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, या इसको ग्रुप करके इसको रिक्लासिफाई भी कर सकते हैं। देर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस टू प्रोजेक्ट दिस।
तो अगर सर दूसरी स्ट्रिप लेंगे तो भी सेम आएगा क्या?
हाँ नहीं, लेकिन यू कैन, ये जो नीचे डब्बे दिख रहे हैं ना, यू कैन मैनेज कलर हियर आल्सो ना,
फ्रॉम
नीचे।
हियर।
हाँ, इसमें भी कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। इंडिविजुअल इस क्लास को अलग कलर आप एकदम कॉन्ट्रास्ट भी दे सकते हो, या जिसको आपको हाईलाइट करना है उसको थोड़ा ब्राइटर रखा, और बाकी के एकदम लाइट टिंच में रख दिया। जैसे वाटर है उसको ब्लू किया, और बाकी जितने हैं उसको एकदम हल्का ब्लू, या दूसरा कोई लाइट कलर दे दिया आपने, वो कर सकते हैं।
बट
लेकिन
सर अभी
आउटपुट वाइज ओके है।
इमेजरी के बियॉन्ड अभी इसमें तो रेड कलर नहीं आ रहा सर।
नहीं,
दूसरी
वो
चीज।
आपने जीरो हटा दिया ना, उधर लेस देन जीरो है वो सारे। आप क्लिक करो ना, उसमें भी आएगा वैल्यू। आपने उधर जीरो किया ना, इसलिए वो नहीं दिखा रहा है अभी।
ओके सर, राइट सर।
हम्म,
अच्छा, यहाँ पे जीरो है सर, इसलिए राइट।
हाँ।
राइट
ओके,
सर।
गुड गुड। और कोई डाउट?
नो सर, इट्स।
बाकी स्टूडेंट और कुछ डिस्कस करना है? किसी का रन नहीं हो रहा है, सबका रन हो रहा है? यस रितु।
Sir, I can't say, see my identity features table.
ओ, आई बटन काम नहीं कर रहे?
I button say it's picking up, but then it's not. Should I
तो
read or?
आप शेयर करिए, स्क्रीन शेयर करिए, होगा वहीं पे। या टेक आई बटन एंड क्लिक up, हाँ, up, हाँ, this one. Click on the image. Yeah, it is showing band 125 right side table में दिखा रहा है ना? देखिए, आप जहाँ भी क्लिक करोगे, कभी कभी क्या होता है, मल्टीपल लेयर अगर सिलेक्टेड है हमारे इसमें, तो वो सारे लेयर की लिस्ट दिखाता है, फिर उसमें से लेयर को आपको क्लिक करेंगे तो उसका वैल्यू दिखाएगा। ओके, फाइन। एनी डाउट, किसी का और कोई डाउट, कुछ क्वेश्चन कुछ है तो आप बताइए, अदरवाइज वी विल break for lunch.
Sir,
Yes, Chunumai.
sir, in the raster calculation, now while we are doing the subtraction, then in which image the band values are higher, we should take that one, then minus that less band value, right? Like which is having like after and before, which is having the higher band value, that one we need to keep first.
हाँ, आइडियली दिस विल बी राइट अप्रोच, बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, सेटेलाइट डाटा में ऑलवेज देर विल बी सम माइनस वैल्यूज जो आपका एरिया के बाद जो आता है, क्योंकि इमेज विल नॉट बी एग्जैक्ट स्ट्रेट, वो थोड़ा टिल्ट में आते हैं इमेज, और बिकॉज दीज आर द रोज एंड कॉलम, सो आउटसाइड एरिया में ऑलवेज माइनस वैल्यू रहेगी। सो बेटर हायर वाला पहले ले लो, माइनस लोअर वाला, तो वो थोड़ा सा आगे के लिए आसान रहेगा हमें,
Okay,
अगर
sir.
सब्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे तो।
Okay.
अदरवाइज रिवर्स भी करोगे तभी भी वो तो सब्सट्रैक्शन तो करेगा, देन यू विल गेट सम माइनस वैल्यूज एज वेल, तो वो माइनस वैल्यू एंड एग्जिस्टिंग माइनस वैल्यू थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम करेगा। हालांकि वो भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, एक जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा माइनस में है उसको यू कैन डिस्कार्ड, बट बेटर हायर माइनस लोअर करो सब्सट्रैक्शन।
Okay, sir.
तो लंच ब्रेक करें, अगर कोई किसी का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, कोई डाउट नहीं है तो। ओके मनप्रीत, फाइन। तो आई होप एवरीवन इज कंफर्टेबल विथ चेंज डिटेक्शन। कोई भी टाइप का चेंज डिटेक्शन हो, नॉट ओनली वाटर, वाटर एक हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया है, ठीक है। सो टेक्निकली दो डाटा के पर्टिकुलर पिक्सल है, ओके, पर्टिकुलर एक ही लोकेशन का जो पिक्सल है, अगर उसमें कुछ ड्रास्टिक चेंज आता है तो दैट इज आवर चेंज, ठीक है। चेंज डिटेक्शन में ऐसा नहीं है कि एक का 10 वैल्यू है और दूसरे का 11 है तो आपने बोल दिया यस देयर इज अ चेंज, नो, वो लॉजिकल होना चाहिए। एक का 10 आ रहा है तो दूसरे का 1-2 आना चाहिए, या दूसरे का 100, 50, 60 ऐसा होना चाहिए, then only we will call it as a change. लॉजिकल ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अदरवाइज आपने रास्टर कैलकुलेटर यूज कर दिया तो हर पिक्सल का जो आपका आउटपुट आएगा कुछ ना कुछ तो चेंज होगा वहाँ पे, 100%। सेम एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू कभी आती नहीं है, बिकॉज बहुत सारे फैक्टर मैटर करते हैं। तो लॉजिकल चेंज होगा तभी वो चेंज डिटेक्शन है, तो वो लॉजिकल लिमिट जो है आपको खुद को देखना है कि कितना अगर होगा तभी मैं बोलूँगी ये चेंज है, ठीक है। यस ऋतु, यू रेज योर हैंड।
Sir, I just wanted to know, can we figure out in a particular area what percentage of water has been changed after
हाँ,
doing this analysis?
वेरी 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 वेल यू कैन फिगर आउट, बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हो। देखिए, आपको पता है कि एक पिक्सल जो है आपका से 20 बाई 20 मीटर है, मैं जस्ट एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ, 20 बाई 20 मीटर, ठीक है। अब आपको पता है कि मेरा जो बिफोर चेंज वाला में इतना एरिया में इतने मेरे पिक्सल हैं, तो दैट पिक्सल इक्वल टू उतना एरिया हो जाता है, 20 बाई 20 मीटर इंटू नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल करेंगे तो एरिया हो जाएगा। सॉफ्टवेयर भी यही करता है। आपको पता है कि मेरे से 10,000 पिक्सल थे, अभी वाला जो चेंज, अभी जो ये बिफोर वाले में मेरे 10,000 पिक्सल थे, और जब चेंज हुआ आफ्टर वाले में मेरे 10 की जगह पे 1 लाख पिक्सल हो गए, तो मेरे 90,000 पिक्सल एक्स्ट्रा है। 20 बाई 20 का एक पिक्सल 90,000 में कितना एरिया हो गया, दैट इजीली यू कैन डिमार्केट। और
Okay.
इनफैक्ट अभी वो दैट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ आवर एक्सरसाइज, वो यहीं पे भी कर सकते हैं। तो वो आपको एग्जैक्ट एरिया मिल जाएगा, इवन कहाँ कहाँ चेंज हुआ है वो भी आपके पास मैप ही है, उसमें भी डिपिक्ट हो जाएगा। और ये जो आपने रास्टर सब करके एनालिसिस किया, इसको रास्टर टू वेक्टर ले जाओ, पॉलीगॉन लेयर बनेगा बढ़िया, उसका अच्छे से मैप बना के यू कैन प्रोजेक्ट इट।
Okay.
यस।
Right. Right. Thank you.
Sir, if you permit, please, I want to share my screen once for
ओके, प्लीज
NDVI.
प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज।
Just I have done my NDVI. Sir, I think it is visible.
यस यस यस, बड़ा अच्छा दिख
Sir,
रहा है यार।
sir, can you please confirm, is it right or wrong? I have done this.
यू जस्ट
This this is the I just taken before image.
बिफोर इमेज, ओके।
Yeah.
बिफोर इमेज
So
में
हमने ये
which
किया बैंड फोर माइनस बैंड थ्री
हाँ
डिवाइड बाई आपका बैंड फोर प्लस बैंड थ्री।
करेक्ट है, करेक्ट है। जस्ट कंफर्म द वैल्यू। पानी का क्या दे रहा है दिखाओ।
ओके ओके, पानी का 51 आ रहा है और वेजिटेशन का थोड़ा सा हाई है
एक
20।
मिनट, कौन से इसका आ रहा है, ये एनडीवीआई का है?
यस, दिस इज एनडीबी ओनली। आई जस्ट
एक मिनट, फिर से पानी का दिखाओ मुझे।
61 है सर ये।
और बाहर कहीं क्लिक करो। 120, नो नो नो, इट्स नॉट एनडीवीआई एक्चुअली। maybe there is some error in the formula or somewhere. Band 4 minus band 3 divided by band 4 plus band 3, यही किया ना फॉर्मूला?
हाँ
सर
एक
मे भी ब्रैकेट नहीं है इस वजह से।
हाँ, कुछ फॉर्मूला में कुछ एरर हुआ है।
ब्रैकेट, सर कहाँ ब्रैकेट
फिर से
लगाना?
डालो ना, 2 मिनट लगेगा रन करने में, डाल दो।
ओके ओके सर,
सब लोग एक डेमो भी हो जाएगा।
बिफोर का ही सर कर रहा हूँ।
किसी भी इमेज का करिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके, बैंड फोर माइनस बैंड थ्री।
आपका वो स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है हमें शायद।
ओके सर, सर फिर से शेयर करता हूँ सर, एक
कोई
मिनट।
बात नहीं, आप करिए।
सर रास्टर का सर अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ, नाउ इट इज विजिबल, यस।
ओके
यू टेक।
सो मैंने सर बिफोर का ले रहा हूँ माइनस
कोई बात नहीं, हाँ।
ये। सर ब्रैकेट अभी डालना है क्या सर?
हाँ,
हाँ,
डाल
अभी
दो।
ब्रैकेट डालना है ना।
बट एक बैकेट डाल दो।
ओके,
क्योंकि
सो फोर प्लस थ्री, अभी से ठीक है फॉर्मूला?
हाँ, एक
आप
मिनट,
पहला वाला भी ब्रैकेट डाल दो ना।
पहले में भी डाल दो, यस यस, पहले
अच्छा पहले में भी डाल देते हैं।
पहले में ब्रैकेट आया, दूसरे में बैकेट क्लोज, ठीक है। एक्सप्रेशन इज वैलिड, ठीक है, करो
यस
रन।
अच्छा सर ये कुछ ओके सर,
वो
ये वैल्यू
जीरो
में
हटा
हाँ
हटा दो, उसको हटा दो। वो डोंट चेंज, don't change it, keep it as it is,
ओके
because this is also going below zero. First one, minimum is -1, this minimum is -1, yeah, +1, ठीक है।
सर ये सही आ रहा है सर।
वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? -14
ये जीरो
पॉइंट
पॉइंट
टू हाँ करेक्ट है, इट्स ओके।
वाटर का
यस मनप्रीत, दिस करेक्ट है। चेक कर लो
वा,
और एक दो जगह पे, ठीक है,
सर
परफेक्ट है।
वाटर का यहाँ पे 0 आ रहा है, 0.12।
हाँ वाटर का तो कम ही आएगा, आपका माइनस में आ रहा था ना वहाँ पे।
सर
ये
एनडीबीआई में कितना कितना वैल्यूज आना चाहिए, लाइक
It
करेक्ट होने
should
के लिए?
it should range in between -1 to 1, -1 to +1।
सो
इससे
मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम हम लोग वो रेंज देना पड़ेगा, -1 एंड टू
नहीं
+1।
नहीं 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 नहीं, डोंट डोंट डोंट, आपने रेंज उधर देना ही नहीं है इसको, एनडीवीआई को। ये तो थोड़ा सा हमने लुक एंड फील के लिए मिनिमम चेंज किया।
अगर सर
एनडीवीआई
करेक्ट है तो करेक्ट होने से ऑटोमेटिकली वो -1 एंड +1 के रेंज
एग्जैक्टली
के अंडर आ जाएगा।
एग्जैक्टली वही लेगा। और अगर ये वैल्यूज नहीं आ रही है तो देख लेना आपका फॉर्मूला में कुछ गड़बड़ है, या बैंड सिलेक्शन में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया।
ओके
ठीक है, तो ये
थैंक यू।
एनडीवीआई इज ऑल राइट, आपका एनडीवीआई जो आ रहा है ये ठीक है।
ठीक है ना सर। तो इसको थोड़ा
perfect।
बेटर डिस्प्ले डिस्प्ले करने के लिए सर कौन सा ये सिम्बोलॉजी यूज करने से सही रहेगा कुछ? सर इसका कुछ है जिससे को थोड़ा वेजिटेशन का पार्ट जो है वो थोड़ा सा बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आए।
आप सीडो कलर में इसको ग्रेस कलर में करो, ग्रे ग्रे, ऊपर बैंड चेंज कर दो।
ओके ओके
हाँ ग्रे में ले लो।
और इसका वैल्यू
रहने दो
-1
रहने दो, अप्लाई करो अप्लाई करो, देखते कितना अप्लाई करके देखो ना पहले, जस्ट अप्लाई,
तो
डोंट डोंट क्लोज, अप्लाई इट।
तो पूरा व्हाइट आ रहा है।
देखो कहाँ पे गया है इमेज आपका। अच्छा, वो आपके जो माइनस वाले पिक्सल ज्यादा डोमिनेट हो रहे हैं, हटा दो, उसको -1 कर दो। ओके कर दो। -16
-1.5
-1, ठीक है। आउटसाइड वाटर देखो एक बार, आउटसाइड वाटर
0.2।
हाँ ठीक है, परफेक्ट है एनडीवीआई, नो प्रॉब्लम।
वाटर का वैल्यू सर 0.14, जैसे कि रिवर का वाटर का वैल्यू आ रहा है।
नहीं वो
ये
जहाँ
सही है।
पे देख रहे हो वो सैंड है, वाटर का
ओके
अगर देखना है तो डार्क
हाँ
डार्क पिक्सल पकड़ो। नहीं उसी का, रिवर का ही जो पानी वाला पोर्शन है ना, दैट इज डार्क, और जो ब्राइट आ रहा है वो सैंड है उसका। आप जहाँ पे भी डार्क दिख रहा है यू चेक इट, इट विल शो यू
सर ये
वाटर।
वाला पोर्शन जनरली सैंड होगा ना सर, ये जगह
हाँ
रिवर है। तो
हाँ
मैं अगर इसका लेता हूँ तो ये तो
उसका आएगा,
आइलैंड 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 टाइप का है तो
हाँ
0.2 आ रहा है। और
यस।
ये अगर एक्टिव चैनल है तो इसका 0.10 आ रहा है। ये सही है ना?
हाँ परफेक्ट है, वो थोड़े ग्रासेस और ये सब होते हैं ना तो वो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे
ओके ओके ठीक है सर, यही कंफर्म करना था।
हैं।
ठीक सर, थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम। तो आई थिंक टाइम देखने दो मुझे, व्हाट इज द टाइम। अच्छा इट्स अराउंड 2 o'clock। ओके, सो इफ नो फर्दर क्वेश्चन, किसी का कोई है और डाउट, अदरवाइज विल ब्रेक फॉर लंच। शैल वी ब्रेक फॉर द लंच? ओके साक्षी विवंशु मनप्रीत ठीक है भारत ओके फाइन तो हाउ मच ब्रेक यू वांट अराउंड 2 o'clock 1:55 हो गया 40 minute okay Shailendra Mantri so one will come back at 2:40 is it okay
Yes, sir.
okay so
Okay, so
okay fine so we'll join back at 2:40 and we'll see the another exercise that is also important ground truth and accuracy assessment okay fine then see you after 40 minutes